Hey Amazon sellers, one of the best ways we can help you right now with your Amazon business is to give you free live training. And we've got that set up for you. It's power-packed 20 minutes of training and 20 minutes of live Q&A with 6 and 7-figure Amazon sellers covering product research, listing optimization, business management, and so much more. We want you to jump on, click on the link right here. And here are a few of our hosts who are all 6 and 7-figure Amazon sellers, including myself. Check it out.
Hey there, my name is Kimberly and I head up the customer success team here at ZonGuru. But more importantly, I'm an experienced Amazon seller, so I know what to look for when finding and validating product ideas. And that's what today's training is all about. I'll give you the data-driven strategies so that you know how to do this as well.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Chris Sim. I'm a 7-figure Amazon seller, and I just want to let you guys know that I'm gonna be hopping on here from time to time to do these ZonGuru weekly trainings, and I'm gonna focus really on product launches.
Hey guys, Eric here from ZonGuru. I am a multi-6-figure seller on Amazon, and in my trainings, I'll be unpacking everything to do with listing optimizations.
All right, I am John Tilley, the CEO and founder of ZonGuru. I love doing live training. I'm extremely passionate about this business. I'll get on there, train on whatever you like me to train you on, but specifically business strategy. How do you build your business on Amazon to scale on Amazon and beyond? All right, that's it. Free live training. Check it out. Click on the link, schedule your live training right now, and get on there and ask us the hardest questions you have so we can help you with your business. Check it out. Click on the link.